Come here, now.
Listen, you're not gonna touch me.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now.
Listen, you're gonna let me go.
Lay on the ground.
You're gonna let me go and all your
stomach.
fucking footage
Lay
on the
your
TV
stomach.
shit?
What are you doing this for?
Because y'all are fucking videoing me. You know you are. I told you to stop for years. You're not stopping.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop.
You're
gonna come through with it.
On May 12th, 2023, the Flagler County Sheriff's Office arrested a 41-year-old female suspect who was taken into custody after a violent confrontation. Deputies say the suspect was first spotted riding a bicycle against traffic and vandalizing vehicles by keying them. When deputies attempted a traffic stop, she fled into a grassy area. During her attempted arrest, she allegedly used a sharp fix-a-flat tool to stab toward a deputy's leg multiple times. Bodycam footage shows the suspect resisting arrest and even trying to climb onto the patrol vehicle.
Come here, now. I'm not playing with you. Come here.
I have been playing with y'all
Come here, right? Come here, now.
Listen, you're not gonna touch me.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
Listen, you're gonna let me go.
Lay on the ground.
You're gonna let me go and all your fucking footage
Lay
on
on
the
your
TV
stomach.
shit?
Lay on your
No,
stomach.
you're gonna bring out all your producers right now. All your TV shits, you're gonna bring them out now. Bring them out now. Bring it out now. You're gonna bring them out now. Nope. All your producers, you better bring them out now.
Negative. I'm trying to get her secured. She's resistant.
Yep, you better bring them out. Bring them out.
You can for now.
Yep.
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
No. You go
What are you doing this for?
because y'all are fucking videoing me. You know you are. I told you to stop for years. You're not stopping.
Put your hands behind
You're
your back.
Stop.
You're
gonna come through with it.
Now I'm not playing with you. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back now. You're gonna get tased if you don't put your hands behind your back. You know that, right?
More for your TV shit?
Yeah, you think so?
More for TV? More for TV, right? Is that what it is? That's what it is, right?
Don't move.
That's what it is? More for TV? Huh? That's what it is?
Don't move. I'm telling you now. You're gonna get tased if you don't stop.
Is that what it is? That's what it is. More for TV, right? Yep. More for TV. You losers. You losers, man. I'll be a TV show. I'll be a TV show, huh? You f***ing red fuck. Prick.
I'm not the one.
Done.
Battery on Leo too.
Yeah.
Now you just got 2 charges.
Oh, woohoo.
Good job.
Yeah, you'll know that call.
Just 1 second, okay? I'm just
Yeah.
gonna be here for a witness, okay?
Be on TV.
That's why I stopped.
Be on TV.
224.
That's why you stopped, so you could be on TV, right? Yep. 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 Guess what? You're so f***ed, all of you.
224 Flagler, did you copy?
Yep. I copied whatever you shot in my eyes.
10-4, you can clear the channel. Stand up. Stand up or I'll drag you there. The choice is yours. Let's go. Alright, we can sit here all day then. I ain't got nowhere to go.
Me neither.
Lay there.
Me neither, you Yeah, you shaking now, ain't you, you little
You're crazy. You think I'm scared of you. Relax.
little
Didn't work out well for you though, did it?
Yeah, didn't work out well for you. It ain't gonna. Think about the long run, buddy.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Think about the long run.
It didn't work out.
It didn't work out for you.
Okay.
Guess what? I'll be out and I'll be shining.
Okay.
You'll be in dog shit.
Okay.
Yep. Shoveling shit the rest of your life. Worthless piece of shit.
She's kicking and stuff,
All
so
right.
watch out.
Hey, check this out. We're gonna stand you up, put you in the car. You start kicking,
Hey,
you're going
check
right
this
back
out.
down on the ground.
That's
You
where I want to
understand?
be. That's
You
where I
wanna
want
be
to
down
be.
on
Yes,
the
that's
ground?
where I'd like to be. have fun with that.
I'm gonna cut this backpack though.
That's fine.
Or do you have a knife? Can you cut this backpack?
I sure do. Yep.
Well, you guys didn't go to much schooling, did you? You didn't have much schooling, did you? You didn't have much schooling, did you?
Alright, come on.
Just leave her on the side until we get somebody else here.
Oh, that's what you tried to hit me with, huh?
Oh, shit.
Yikes.
That's not what I tried to hit you with.
I watched you swing it at me. What are you talking
Are you
about?
kidding me? I was the vape, you dummy. Yeah. I couldn't though.
Where'd you pick that up from?
I didn't pick that up. I threw that.
You see? No, that though. You seen that right there, right?
Oh yeah, that's what she was stabbing the car.
Okay.
Get in the car. Hold on. We got someone at 15. We're trying to get into the vehicle right now. Just set her back down. Hey, you're done. Do you understand?
So are you. Do you understand? Holy.
Put the hand behind your back.
I'm going less people. I'm going less people, Travis. You're good.
I'm gonna tase you. Do not put your hands behind your back. 1, 2, ma'am. 3. Taser, taser, taser.
Ow!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. Do it right now. Put that other hand.
You're a pussy. You know that? That's what you need? That's what you gotta do? You're a pussy. You're a pussy.
No taser
All
before.
it is.
The signal 14.
That's double lock. Hold her hand.
That's what you gotta do. That's what you are.
Take your time, take your time.
Just wait. Just wait, dude. Just wait. Your welcome home party is gonna be fun.
It is double lock.
Your welcome
Make
home
sure this
party
one
is
is
gonna be fun.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, you're a real officer? Yeah, okay.
We got her good?
They're not real officers. Listen,
Hold on.
when this is done, you're all You hear me? You're and you're all
If I had $1 for every time someone told me
yeah,
that,
for every time somebody told you that,
I could
you
right
wait.
now.
Goddamn wait. Yup, sounds good.
Ready? Yep. Go the other side. We got her. Do it. Good. Go ahead. Can't leave her like that. You can't leave her like that. You gotta adjust her. Just lift her up.
No.
Lift her up.
I'm trying to help you. Turn this way.
Yeah, no. You're trying to help yourself.
Okay.
No, we're trying to help you, man. No, you're trying to help yourself because you're not allowed to leave me on my stomach, you dumb. I'm not stupid. So go yourself. You're gonna go tase me again so I can. Yeah, you're gonna go tase me again? Yeah, no. You don't. You. Get shit off of me.
We're fine. We'll get her feet in there.
Listen, this is gonna stop.
Yeah.
Right now.
It is stopping.
No, it is stopping. No, there's a no. Where's all the cameras? Bring them out. Get all over the place.
Every one of them.
Listen.
220 Flagler. Ma'am, are you going to be compliant?
Are you gonna be compliant? Yourself. Go yourself. I don't know. You get the out of my face, bitch.
All right, that's how it's going to go. I think she should probably be able to tolerate transport in the back of the cruiser over to the hospital unless you want.
If that works with us. If you think she should go, then yeah.
I mean, she's not cooperative, but she's just saying the same thing over and over again.
Ma'am, we're going to take you down to the hospital, okay? When all that I'll ask is when you get there, if you can work with the deputy.
About and all that good shit that we don't give a about.
There's no history with her.
You ID'd her?
No, I don't have her ID, but there's a
No,
male's
because I
ID.
just know everything because I'm on
There's male's
TV.
ID, there's
That's
no
why.
other
Because
victim,
you're on
it's just
TV.
him.
That's why we know everything about her. We're wearing all those body cams
previous
and all that good.
Except that dude.
Did you check David to see if she lives at that house or something?
No, probably not.
All right, so go ahead to the hospital, take Zalac, and then let security know ahead of time that we're en route and see if they can get a wheelchair out. and then cover the wheelchair. Bring her in.
To have another unit or something.
I think either.
I can ask Lima's already doing paperwork.
Lima, would you mind going to the hospital with these guys, protecting them? Would you? Is that okay? If you don't mind. All right.
You want me to go? Chris, man,
No, that's
paperwork to do.
Listen. Medium priority alert. Medium priority alert. Show. I know what you're doing. I know exactly what you're doing. You're sitting there being ducked. I know you're in on it. You're stupid. And I'm done with you. You hear me? I'm done. You either let me out of this shit hole, or you're done. I'm done with you. I'm done with this game. I've told you a million times. I know you're there. I know what you're doing. Stop it. You won't stop it. You're gonna stop it. One way or the other. You Facebook freaks. You heard me. You better let me out of this shit, man. You better fucking let me out of this shit. You better fucking bring me somewhere to negotiate, or I'm fucking done. You fucking, I swear to God, none of y'all will ever fucking live this shit down if you do not fucking let me out this fucking shit right now. It's gonna stop right here and now. It's stopping. Right fucking here and now. Like, I don't fucking know. I'm not fucking stupid. I've known for fucking years. I've told you to stop for years. You can't stop? What, you guys are having too much fun? Well, I'm not. Bring me to the sunshine, man. Huh? Yeah? That's what you want? The sunshine? Bring me there. Let's talk. Because otherwise, I mean, fucking 10 more minutes of this and you're done. I'm not fucking doing a goddamn thing. Not 10 minutes, 2 minutes. How about that? 2 more minutes of this and I ain't doing shit for yous. So you better fucking hurry up and decide. You fucking sunshine people or what? Huh? Yeah. Sunshine, huh? Walking on sunshine. You better bring me there. Right now. Listen, bring me to the sunshine, people. Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. How many times I gotta say it for you to f***ing give, huh? Huh?
I don't even know what sunshine people.
Yeah, you don't know what I'm talking about.
Nope.
Nope. Okay, you're shit. You're such a f***ing liar. So you're all f***ing liars. Listen, and if you don't get me out of this car in 2 minutes, it's done. I'm not agreeing to nothing. You guys better f***ing start negotiating now. I already f***ing know. I've known for years. I've asked you to stop for years. You can't f***ing stop? Why? You having too much fun? I'm not. So guess what? You're gonna f***ing bring it right now to the f***ing head, and we're gonna f***ing pop it? Or f***ing you're just gonna see what's gonna f***ing happen. You'll see. It ain't gonna be good for you. Ain't nobody gonna be in f***ing paradise, I'll tell you that.